usefulenglish.com.
Hi, how are you? I am super. I hope you're well too. Today, I'm going to show you my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you my kitchen. Where do I start? Where do I start? So, on the far right is the refrigerator. So, on the far right is the refrigerator. There's a picture of my parents on the fridge. There's a picture of my parents on the fridge. The photo is attached to the refrigerator with 2 magnets. The photo is attached to the refrigerator with 2 magnets. On top of the fridge is the microwave. On top of the fridge is the microwave. Next to the refrigerator is the dishwasher. Next to the refrigerator is the dishwasher. Do you have a dishwasher too? Do you have a dishwasher too? The dishwasher was a gift from my parents. The dishwasher was a gift from my parents. See this electrical outlet? See this electrical outlet? There are 2 plugs in the socket. There are 2 plugs in the socket. The first plug belongs to the electric kettle. The first plug belongs to the electric kettle. The second plug is from the blender. The second plug is from the blender. Right next to the blender is my pepper mill. Right next to the blender is my pepper mill. Do you like pepper? Do you like pepper? There's a bottle of Greek olive oil here. There's a bottle of Greek olive oil here. Two frying pans are hanging on the wall above. I have a large frying pan and a small one. There's a soup ladle down here. There's a soup ladle down here. Right next to it is my stove. Right next to it is my stove. The stove also has an oven. I always bake a pie on Sundays. I always bake a pie on Sundays. To the left and right of the stove are two kitchen cabinets. The sink is here on the left. Here are my clean plates. There are two pots on the stove. The pot on the left is a soup pot. The pot on the left is a soup pot. I made a vegetable soup. Do you like soup? Do you like soup? I'm boiling potatoes in the pot on the right. I love potatoes. I love potatoes. What am I in the mood for today? What am I in the mood for today? I'm in the mood for pancakes. What ingredients do you need for pancakes? What ingredients do you need for pancakes? My recipe has 6 ingredients. I need 400 cc's of milk. I need 400 cc's of milk. I need 4 eggs. I need 4 eggs. I need 200 grams of flour. I need 200 grams of flour. I also need some sugar, salt, and butter. Here I have a measuring cup. Here I have a measuring cup. I mix all the ingredients. I then let the ingredients sit in the fridge for 30 minutes. I then let the ingredients sit in the fridge for 30 minutes. I then fry the pancakes with a little olive oil. For the pancakes, I use the larger frying pan. For the pancakes, I use the larger frying pan. Have you ever made pancakes? Have you ever made pancakes? What does your kitchen look like? What does your kitchen look like? Please leave a comment in your native language now. Please leave a comment in your native language now.